Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, wherever you are watching this out there on the World Wide Web. This is Jeremy Geelan for SYS-CON TV here at 11th Cloud Expo. Cloud Expo, Silicon Valley. I have with me Laura Shafer from StorageCraft. A delight to meet Laura.
It's nice to meet you as well.
Lots going on behind us and lots going on at the StorageCraft booth, I happen to know. What are all those lines of people, those droves of people? What are they looking at, Laura?
They're looking at the fact that we are about to release our StorageCraft Cloud Services product, which is why we're here at Cloud Expo talking about it.
They're excited.
Yeah, and we're excited too. This is our first chance to bring our traditional, reliable backup and disaster recovery to the cloud.
And I mean, everyone needs DR, so you must be having a good show, I'm thinking.
Yeah, everyone does need DR, and that's becoming more and more apparent as, disasters happen around us. It's unlikely that, the major Mother Nature type disasters are going to happen to most people. What will happen to you, undoubtedly, is that you're going to have a server fail, or a human is going to pull the power accidentally, or maybe your power grid will go out. So those disasters are more likely, and you need to plan for those first, and then the Mother Nature type disasters as well. And that's where Cloud Services comes in, because you need to have two complete copies of your data in geographically diverse locations so that you can get your business back up and running in the event of a disaster, no matter what.
I mean, it occurs to me that the cloud is almost the dream environment for DR because you're always going to be safe no matter what.
That is true. And one of the cool things about our Cloud Services product is that you can virtualize your data, your complete system environment in the cloud in less than 5 minutes. And in reality, it's probably going to take you about 2 to 3 minutes to get your server back up and running in our cloud.
Well, that's always compelling. And I'm thinking there may be some cost benefits as well, because cloud is a very efficient way of delivering your service, I'm guessing.
It is very efficient. Now, we always, as a best practice, recommend that people have a local copy of their backup in their disaster recovery on site, just because most of your disasters are going to be local. And most of your disasters, you're going to be able to quickly recover them with our solution in a short amount of time. But yes, cloud is very cost efficient because the cost of a disaster, downtime, costs you tens of thousands of dollars every single hour that you're down for the count.
It would be a foolish economy.
It would be.
What about StorageCraft itself? We're buying into the name, I'm thinking, when we buy into the DR part. So why don't we give people the quick elevator pitch on StorageCraft?
Well, we've been working on our disaster recovery solution for about 7 years now. StorageCraft has been around since 2004. We started a little earlier than that, doing some baseline snapshotting technology that we OEM to other companies. We created our disaster recovery and released it in 2005. We focused on small to medium-sized businesses, and we've been growing ever since. And we've partnered with some pretty big names out there who are using our technology, and you may even be using it and you don't even know it. So right now we're partnering with Intel on their hybrid cloud. We've also got a bunch of other alliance partners who are using us as the DR snapshotting technology in their solution. Partners like Datto, Simform, those are a couple right off the top of my head that I can think of. Chartech, there are quite a few others.
So what Laura's saying here it is, they're the real deal. You can take that as read.
Yeah, and we have always focused on the recovery, not the backup. Backup is important, but it's only important if you can recover.
Yeah, that's otherwise it's moot. How's it going at the booth? Is it working how you want it?
Yeah, it's been a very busy show for us, and we're really excited at the number of people that we're getting to introduce to StorageCraft.
Good. That's the aim, of course, of coming to Cloud Expo as an exhibitor, and we're pleased that you're pleased.
Well, good. That's good to hear.
We'll send them all on this video to StorageCraft.com.
Absolutely, and StorageCraft.com/cloud services if you want to know about our cloud services solution.
Straight into her empire. Thanks so much for talking with us, Laura Shafer from StorageCraft, and thank you out there for joining us on the World Wide Web.